this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. Good morning, happy Valentine's Day. I have a little Valentine's treat for you. I am sharing my February design team package that I received from Country Craft Creations, and this is a really, really cute baby collection that you're gonna love. This is Baby on Board, It's a Boy by Echo Park. It's absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it. This is just too cute. So I thought I would come on here and share with you what I received in my package, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started on making a really great project or two for you. So again, this is Baby on Board, It's a Boy, and this is Echo Park, and I received some goodies to go with it. So first off, I have the chipboard words and phrases here, and I didn't take them out of the package, but you can see how gorgeous all of these chipboard pieces are, and I think this one's my favorite. It says, "Hello, I'm new" on it. It's just really adorable little paper collection. I really like the colors too. I love the kind of maroony or rust color that's in this package. I just think that this is going to be a really nice project. Once I get it all put together, this is gonna look really, really sweet. So I did get one of those chipboard words and phrases, and then I received the enamel dots that go with the collection, and obviously they match perfectly, and I love using these. These are great for little accents and things like that. I love that. And then I did receive the frames and tags, and I'm actually going to spread those out after I get these papers out of the way, just to kind of show you what those are. But there's 33 die cut pieces in here, so I did receive that. And then I also received some beautiful seam binding. Okay, so I received 2 yards of this gorgeous color, and it's called Nurust. And then I received the seam binding that's called Golden Rod, and then I received the Jute Twine that is navy. So I received 2 yards of each of these that, you know, I mean, the colors are absolutely perfect. They're just perfect. So I've got that, and then let's go through the papers. So I started off with the cut aparts. I got everything all kind of organized. I received 2 sheets of each of these. So this is the cut apart page with the 4x6, and the little bear. Look at the little bear, and then this little, I got jute pieces all over the place. And the lion. Really fun. The back of this is the star pattern. That is really adorable. And then let's see, the next thing I got 2 pieces of is the 3x4 cut aparts. These are fun. Some little journaling spots here. Really sweet. And then this beautiful blue check pattern on the back. We have this cut apart sheet. I'm excited about this one. So we have some landscape and portrait 4x6, which I really like. And then I've got a selection of 2x2s up here too. So I can do some really fun things with that. And I really like this one. A Little Star is Born, and you can put all of the information for the baby on there. And then the back of that is this beautiful stripe pattern. The next sheet I have is another mix combination of cut aparts, which I really like. So 3x4s, we got some 4x6, 4x4s here, but then we also have some word strips and some banner strips. So that is going to be really fun. And then look at this here. We've got like a 2x4 here. It says, "You light up my life." And a little journal spot here. I love the graphics on here and the cute little polka dot papers. This is a really fun collection. This is going to make a really fun album. This is the little shelves, little hangers with the clothes on there. It says, "My little joy, welcome little one, dream big." And then on the back of that, we have the stars. This one's called Baby Boy Nursery. Very cute. Look at the little toys on the shelves and the little spaceship picture there. Can you see that? The little choo-choo train? Haha, so cute. This is so cute. This paper here is called Sweet Boy Plaid, and it has these stars with little starbursts on them on one side, and then we have the plaid on the other. Very, very pretty. This one is It's a Boy Essentials. And it has this beautiful pattern here. And then on the back here, we've got some bigger images of all those cute little things. Some of the cute items that were on the shelves in the other paper collection. The little monkey teething ring or rattle. It's been a long time since I've had a baby, that's for sure. Even my grandkids aren't babies anymore. This beautiful blue star pattern here, and then the letter blocks. That's fun. That gives me an idea. I get ideas as I look at the papers. I've been asked how I kind of do my albums, how I, you know, figure out what I'm going to make. And I was asked specifically, do I look at the cut aparts first and then build an album around that? And sometimes I do. Sometimes it's just the pattern in the paper that kind of gives me ideas and spawns some ideas. So it just depends. I think I really go with the paper collection. Mobiles here with little spaceships and planets and the sun and everything. I like how they mixed that kind of space thing with the kind of animal theme with the little monkeys and the lions and the bears, and really cute. So yeah, so sometimes the paper just tells me what I need to make, and sometimes I, you know, have a project in my head and then I look at the papers and try to figure out which papers would work for that. This one's called Oh Baby Toy Baskets, and on this side it has hearts. On this side it has the little baskets of toys and little Afghans with all the little animals, little panda bears and koala bears. Oh goodness, this is adorable. And then we got some bigger animals here, 2 pages here. These are just cute. This one's called Fuzzy Friends. I like that pattern here too. That'll make a great background. Very, very cute. This is going to make a really great album for baby. For sure. This is going to make something really adorable. This one here is called Dream Big Stars. I like the pattern on the back too. That's a really pretty neutral color and neutral pattern to put on the back of the page too. So then we have the sticker page. So I got 2 of those, 2 of each of those. And then I received the sticker page, which has all these gorgeous little stickers and little mini banners. And we've got a border strip here. Very cute. And then I received 2 each of the 3 papers, and I spread them out. I'm going to spread them out so you can see all the colors. So the front and the back. So I received, for example, 2 of these. So it's front, back, front, back. So I have all these gorgeous colors here that I can play with as well. So I have 6 sheets of coordinating solids. They're absolutely beautiful. I like the bright colors, but I also love that rust. It's really great. Then I got the Tonic Studios Pearlescent cards. So I received a package of that. So this is going to be great for doing some photo matting. This is 8.5 by 11 sheets. It's 92 pounds, so it's pretty durable. And so you can do cards with it, but you can also use it for mats, for doing some really pretty matting on the front of albums. Might even incorporate that into the album other than mats. That would be nice. And then I did receive 2 sheets of some heavyweight chipboard. So I like that. Now let me get the die cuts. I want to show you those. My goodness, look at the ephemera pieces from the frames and tags pack. Isn't this cute? So we have little word labels, we have tags, we have here's like the frame, so you have the piece inside and then you have the frame piece. Just a great assortment of ephemera that I can use in my project. So I'm really super excited to share this with you. I hope you enjoy it too. I'm going to have links down below for all of these papers that I have received, and you can go check them out at Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Follow my links and you'll see all these gorgeous papers, and then you can get some for yourself. So if you have any babies coming in your family, this is the perfect collection to get to make something truly memorable and truly will be treasured forever. I mean, this will be amazing. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. And go check out the links down below for all of these products, and I will be back soon with some tutorials for you and some great projects using all of these gorgeous Baby on Board It's a Boy papers by Echo Park. All right, have a great day, stay crafty, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.